In this video, you will learn to... Welcome to the Do video on Design of a Rectangular Footing. In this video, you will learn to interpret the design results of the rectangular footing in the software. This is a continuation of the steps in the previous video. Open the saved file, if you have closed it before. If the punching shear ratio is not displayed, repeat the last step of the previous video, to display the punching shear ratio. Then right-click on the center point of the column, where the load is applicable. The punching shear design details will be displayed. Here all the design properties of the isolated footing are displayed, which include effective slab thickness, effective punching perimeter, the section inertia, moments and shear forces. You can change the load combination to see the results if there are any differences. Close the punching shear details box. Now you will check the analysis results along the design strips. Go to the display menu and select Show Strip Forces. First let us see for the dead load case, the moment diagram along the strip layer A. Choose the options as illustrated. Mark Show Values on Diagram. Click on Apply. The moment diagram for the dead load case is displayed along the strip layer A. Hover your cursor over the strip line to display the values. To see the moment values along the strip layer B, unmark layer A, and mark layer B. Then click on Apply, and the moment diagram along layer B will be displayed. Similarly, you can choose any other component or load combination, and view the results. Click on Close to exit the Strip Forces box. Now go to the display menu and select Show Slab Design. Mark the Impose Minimum Reinforcement option. Click on Apply, then click on Close. The reinforcement intensity values along the strip layer A are displayed. Hover your cursor over the strip line to see the values of both top and bottom reinforcement intensities at different points. Again go to Display, and click on Show Slab Design. This time mark the layer B, and unmark layer A. Then click on Apply, and close the box. Now you can view the reinforcement intensities in the strip layers B, over both the columns. In the display menu, select the last option, Show Tables. Expand the Concrete Design option by clicking on the plus sign. Then expand the Concrete Slab Results, and mark the first option, Flexural and Shear Data. Click on OK. The table generated displays the flexural and shear data for the different strip layers at different positions. Under the Status Text option, all the stations are marked OK. This means the footing has passed the flexural and shear test also. Click on Done to close the box. The design check is done. You will now generate the reinforcement detailing information. Go to the Run menu, and click on Run Detailing. Mark all the options, and select OK. The footing layout plan is displayed. Expand the Drawing Component Views option. Expand the Footing Views option, and select the Footings Table option. The Footings Table is displayed, which shows the footing design results. Zoom in to see the values. The dimensions of the designed footing is displayed. The final dimension is 4 meters along X direction, 2 meters along Y direction, and thickness half a meter. Relate with the diagram below, to understand the rebar nomenclature. Rebars A are the bars in the Y direction, and rebars B are the bars in the Y direction. So from the table, you need 5 bars of 14 mm diameter, each in the Y direction. And 6 bars of 12 mm diameter, each in the Y direction. Double-click on the Footing Bill of Quantities option. The total rebar material required, for the bars of 2 different diameters, are displayed. You can select the other options, such as beam curtailment rules, rebar shapes, etc., to see the corresponding tables. Expand the drawing sheet option. Here the same footing tables and layout plans are generated as a drawing sheet, which you can produce and print. Please note that since it is an evaluation version, you will not be able to take a printout and use it for industrial purpose, but you can do it in the full licensed version. You can drag the table to place it at the center of the sheet, as displayed. So you have successfully designed the rectangular footing in the software. In the next video, you will perform the calculations for design of a trapezoidal footing.